Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to compress large video files without visible quality loss. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to compress large video files without visible quality loss, all you can do is simply go to VideoProc. So once you go to VideoProc, this is a converter that is AI generated. So it is an AI generated converter which will simply compress your large videos without visible quality loss. Now you can simply sign in and then import your video into the converter. After you import the video into your converter, you need to use the compress tool. Once you use the compress tool as well, you can simply drag the quality slider to high quality or similar settings. After everything, alternatively, you can also choose a HEVC format and use a high quality preset. After this, you're all set. You will get your video compressed without visible quality loss. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.